Hey guys, this is Rosakelly. Welcome back to the channel and Merry Christmas. So today I'm going to be doing the announcement of my 12 Days of Christmas series winner. So first I want to thank each one of you for coming back every day, watching the videos, leaving your comment, leaving your likes, and thank you once again to my friend Debbie for being part of the series. And I hope you guys enjoy all of our projects and you had fun creating with us for these 12 days of Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and select the winner. I'm going to do that separately, so I'm just going to do a voiceover here on the side, but I just want to quickly go over the price again, which is going to be this book of pockets that I created. So I did this on the series, so if you missed this video and you want to create one of these for your aunt, make sure to check the playlist. I did create a playlist so you can go back and watch each one of the projects for the 12 days of Christmas for 2025. Also, I have a playlist for previous years, so make sure that you check on my playlist here on my channel. I went ahead and added these cards. I'm gonna write a message to whoever the winner is for a Christmas, and then we have the Prima flowers, we have the little stamps, we have this paper collection by Kaiser Craft, which I mentioned before. I wanted the price to be more like Valentine's oriented, since we're probably moving on to doing those type of projects. Then we have this really pretty like embossing folder that has all these hearts, and this other embossing folder by Carol Bath that you can use to do a window card or just do a really pretty photo area here and emboss. And so yeah, so I'm gonna be selecting the winner right now. So to select the winner, I went back to my videos and I picked one of the videos from the series, went ahead and copied the link and then copied that link onto the random comment picker, and then I'm just answering some of the questions there on the prompt, and we are going to select the winner. So congratulations to my winner. Please send me an email to claim your prize. Congratulations to my winner, and thank you once again to each one of you. If you guys want to see more content from me, please consider becoming a member. I post a bonus tutorial, technique tutorial, and I do a live class every month to all of my YouTube members. And also I do a digital collection of the month on Patreon and an exclusive tutorial for that. So I want to thank you once again for all your love and support, and I want to wish you the most beautiful Christmas and a very happy New Year, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
It's so pretty, that time in New York City. I say cold and gritty, packed in like sardines.